Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a fun little Valentine's Day eye tutorial, and I'm going to be giving you some updates about where I've been and things like that. So if you want to stick around for the video, just okay. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Molted Glow. That is Maybelline Too Faced Chocolate Glow palette. It looks like this right here. I've shown this before. There's the inside. Yeah, I wanted to use this palette mainly because hello, it's chocolate, and that's kind of the point of Valentine's Day. And there's some pretty pink colors in here that I wanted to try to use. So yeah, let's just get started. So for the first color, I'm going to be going in with So Bougie, and I'm going to be putting that in the crease of my eye. So as you guys probably noticed, I have not posted a video in about a week, and I've had a rough week. On Monday, I went to work like normal, and then I came home, blah, 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 woke up the next day with a flat tire. And I didn't even remember running over anything. All I remember is that I remember seeing my TPMS light come on, the tire pressure light, and I'm like, okay, one of my tires needs air, no big deal. I'll do it tomorrow, because I was on my way home from work, almost home already, so I just figured I'd do it the next day. Well, I was too late by then. So I woke up, had a flat tire, had to FaceTime Gonzalo to tell him that I need to borrow his car. And it was just crazy. I borrowed his car, and then the next day we go outside. It just had finished snowing or freezing rain or something, because it was icy snow on the floor, windy as hell, and it's like 30 degrees outside. And then hold on before I tell you. Now I'm going to go in with Cocoa Truffle right at the top. I'm going to put that on the outer third of the eye. So we started to do my tire and put the spare on. Now, I have been planning to put tires on my car for a while because I'm due for an inspection, and the last time I was in for an oil change, they told me that I wouldn't pass without getting new tires. So I wound up getting new tires. I put the spare on. Well, Gonzalo put the spare on. God knows I didn't put that on. He put that on. And then the next day, Wednesday, I had to take his car to work again. And I just feel so bad because it's not my car. I'm like having to use his car for everything. Ridiculous. And so we drive it down to Mavis Discount Tire. And I had called previously to set up everything that I needed. I needed alignment, brakes, 4 new tires, an oil change, and an inspection. 5 things. And I got a price quote. And they saved it on my file, so when I would go down, everything would be squared away. Now, I go down and everything is not squared away. They have basically everything wrong in the computer with the wrong price. The guy is totally trying to schmooze me. And I was just so upset that I actually cried. I was just so upset that this wasn't going my way, because I hate trying to be taken advantage of when in that kind of situation. And Gonzalo was even with me, and they still tried to schmooze me, which really pisses me off. But anyway, they finally just did the tires and the alignment, and then they told me that I might need rotors, which are like 250 bucks a piece. And I said, no way should I need rotors yet. But they said they'll have to check them to see if they'll pass inspection. So they checked them. Finally comes out I don't need them, thank goodness, and they were able to just do everything for me right then, and it all got squared away, and I didn't get my car back until Thursday night at around 8 o'clock. So, and it cost me about $530 for all of it, but I finally got everything done, everything out of the way, but it was just so stressful having to wait for it and just make sure that they got everything right, and it was just driving me crazy. And within that process, Gonzalo and I bought a new background. As you can see, the lights are definitely dangly. They're not the swoop lights anymore. But we did buy a black background, and we filmed with it on his channel, and then I filmed a few videos on my channel, and we realized that it looks like utter crap because him and I both, number one, have black hair. Two, it just looked like wrinkly because it's a cloth. It's not like paper or satin like the back one is right here for me. So it just didn't look right, and we were not having it. Now I'm gonna go in with New Money, this bright pink shade in the palette. I'm excited to use this. Okay, but anyways, so we did that, and it just was not working out. And I had filmed videos, and I looked at them and just thought to myself, there is no way I'm using this footage. No freaking way. I can't. It just looked so bad. You could not see my hair. You couldn't see anything. You really couldn't. And it was driving me crazy. So I didn't use any of it. I did film about 3 videos with it, but I felt like they weren't good enough quality for me to post. And I'm not going to post something that I'm 100% completely satisfied with. So I didn't post it. Now I'm going in with Rich Girl at the top, and I'm putting that on the inner corner. So yeah, I didn't do it. And that's okay, because I have now these dangling lights, and I'm so happy with this. We realized, both of us, that it is just much better to do with the dangling lights and this background. It doesn't look as bad. So that's what we decided to do. Also gonna put Rich Girl right under the brow bone. And then I'm just gonna blend everything all together. Just a fun pink look. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So I have to have eyeliner. No such thing as not having eyeliner. But yeah, so I had a pretty stressful week. And it was not fun at all. Like, not at all. I was not happy. But everything got done. I got pretty behind on my channel, which I'm not happy about. But because I love doing this thing, and I just didn't feel, I don't know about you guys, but if you don't feel like in the right mindset, it's hard for you to get something done. Like, I wasn't completely into editing and uploading because I was so just upset about everything that was going on with my car, and I did not have the energy to just sit there and edit when I'm just worrying about my car and worrying about what these people are doing to it. I told myself that I'm just gonna go to the dealership from now on. Just because I really want somebody who specializes in my car, because when I got there, the guy told me that they ordered the wrong tires for my car. And I was like, oh my God, because my car either comes in EX, LX, or SX, and the guy ordered the wrong size. So it was, we had to wait for that. The guy was like, don't worry about it, I ordered the right ones. And I'm like, just thinking to myself, oh, it's just such an annoying thing. And I just couldn't stand it anymore. But it's done now. Car is good to go. I'm good to go. And that's that. So, yeah. I actually really like how this turned out. Very bright pink, very Valentine's Day. And it's all using one palette. Also gonna put on some lip gloss. This is just the NYX Butter Gloss. You guys know I use this all the time. This one is in Creme Brulee. This is a pinkier one than the Fortune Cookie. I like to stick with more pinks on Valentine's Day because I feel like, I don't know what's going on with my hair. I feel like red doesn't really go on me. I guess because I just have really pale skin, it just makes me look so washed out. So I like to stick with the pinks. And yeah, this is the Valentine's Day-esque look that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to keep posting more. There was just a tiny little setback in my life, and that's okay. Everybody has setbacks, but I'm back, and videos are going to be back, hopefully more often. And yeah, I hope you guys subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications to be notified for when I post videos. And I will see you guys in my next one.